students, how are you? Students, the day before yesterday I explained the sixth part of the lesson, and in that part I was telling you that Murad returned at the place from where he started riding the horse after being drenched with sweat. Now I am going to explain the seventh part of the lesson. The sun was coming up. Narrator Ram is saying that sun was rising. Now it is my turn to ride, I said. Then he said that it was his turn to ride then. My cousin Murad got off the horse. At this, his cousin Murad got off the horse. Ride, he said. Then he instructed Aram to ride. I leaped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. The horse did not move. Then Aram sat on the back of the horse and he tried to make the horse run. And when horse did not move, then he was frightened. And he became nervous. Kick into his muscles. My cousin Murad said, what are you waiting for? We have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. And when Murad saw that Aram was frightened and he became nervous, then he advised him to kick into the muscles of the horse. And he also added that he should complete his riding as soon as possible, because they had to carry the horse back to the place of his hiding before everybody woke up, before the people woke up, and they started moving here and there. I kicked into the muscles of the horse. Then, as the instruction given by his cousin Murad, Ram the narrator kicked into the muscles of the horse. Once again it reared and snorted. After being kicked into the muscles, horse once again reared, moved back on its hind legs and snorted and produced the sound through its nostrils. Then it began to run. After that it started running. I did not know what to do. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation dish, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of the Deccan Halabian, where it began to leap over vines. The horse leaped over 7 vines before I fell. Then it continued running. And after that, horse started running. And Aram did not know what to do. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse started running down the road to the vineyard of Deccan Halabian. And where it began to leap over vines. And after that, the horse threw Aram down, and then he leaped over 7 vines. After throwing the narrator Aram down, the horse leaped the 7 vines. Then it continued running, and even after that, it continued running. Means vines, you know, students, vines. Vine a type of creeper, not creeper, and vines is a type of plant having weak stem. My cousin Murad came running down the road, and when narrator's cousin Murad saw that horse threw the narrator down, then he reached him. I am not worried about you, he shouted. We have got to get that horse. After reaching him, he said that he was not worried about Aram. he said that they had got to get that horse. They had to find that horse. You go this way and I will go this way. If you come upon him, be kindly, I will be near. And he instructed Aram to go in search of the horse in a particular direction. And he went into the particular direction. And he also instructed Aram that if he was able to find the horse, if he found the horse, then he would stay and Murad would reach him. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field. Then Aram is saying that he was moving down the road and his cousin Murad went across the field towards the irrigation ditch in search of the horse. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. And after half an hour, he got success in finding the horse, and then after finding it, he brought him back. All right, he said, jump on. After finding the horse, Murad instructed Aram to sit on the back of the horse. The whole world is the back now, and everybody woke up. Everybody woke up. What will we do? I said. Then Aram asked Murad what they would do. Well, he said, we will either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. Then Murad answered that they would either take him back means either return the horse to its right owner, or they would have to hide him until tomorrow morning, until next day morning. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson. Now I request you to read and write the explanation which I will provide you in written. Tomorrow I will explain the next part of the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.